Hello, everyone. I'm going to speak about a recent research I did in collaboration with Zadig in Milan. This research has its roots in two European projects. The first one is called this one is called Tell Me project, which has its target to develop models for transparent communication in epidemics. And the second one is called Asset, which is the target is the connection between researchers and citizens in order to promote mobilization and mutual learning in the pandemic fields. In both of these projects, there is space for studying the role and potential of social media. In particular, we focus on 2 points: rapidly recognize and evaluate the relevant data stream, and discover new trends and new influential users. We picked up the Twitter streaming API, and we collected nearly 7 million of tweets, and noted that most of them are retweets or contain user mentions. For us, retweets and user mentions are key information because they are generated through connection between users that are also visible to other users. Therefore, we decided to create a network of users where the key information are the connection that are generated through retweets and mentions. And because of this, we think that this kind of definition is able to follow the current discussion and to find the main speakers in a given topic in the short time. Of course, increasing the number of tweets after a big collection, the number of nodes and the size of the network is really big, and we need to find a way to select the most connected nodes in the network, and we did this finding the strongly connected components in the network and keeping the joint component, which is usually much bigger than all the others. And as a last step, noting that every link between nodes has carry a value, which is the number of retweets and user mentions that generate that link, we are able, using this information, to define transition metrics, the transition probabilities to go between nodes, and finding an ergodic finite Markov chain, and which the steady state provide us with an ordered list of users. This ordered list proved to be not correlated with other very used but trivial, let's say, indexes like the tweets counts, for example. And also looking, for example, at the retweet cascades generated by a given tweet, we noted that in many cases, at the very beginning of the cascade, there is a retweet of an influential user. So summing up, our assumption are the graph edge are generated by connection between users that are also visible to other users. The active community in a given topic is represented by the giant component of the network, and the steady state of the Markov chain represent the user visibility, give us the user visibility. The properties of this method is related to the short window that we need to find good information. And as a result of this research, we are also developing a web application. The server runs daily this analysis and put it in a web interface where we would like to show also statistics about the given the influential users. Yeah, 2 words about the tools. We picked up Python for scripting, MongoDB as database, Meteor.js for building the web application, and D3.js for database. I want to thank Sergio Cima and Zadig for the collaboration, and thank you all for the attention.